Yep, what you waiting for? It's time to sign up. Go ahead and get right. It's only a matter of time. I know you're tired of sitting on the couch, like Miller Mark used to tell you. Let's get it, man. You only get one chance to do this. Here, I'm about to start welding with a 1/8 rod, so it's set on 1/8. My settings, I got my amperature set right at 8. Mr.CorrectYourself 2 times. We don't like to just do it once, but we'll do it 2 times. Today, we're going to be doing 60-13, which is not a low hydrogen rod. Then we'll do 70-18, a low hydrogen rod, which could hold more than the 60-13. So if you look at the wheel and the wheel seems to be a little different, just know this one is not a low hydrogen and this one is. Alright? And not only that, we're going to do 2 joints. 2 joints design. We're going to do a T-joint and a lap joint. We're going to weld on both sides. We're going to do the 60-13 with this one, and we'll do 70-18 on the T-joint with that one. Here, now, pay close attention to my angle. Like it's about a 15 or 20. Striking it like a match. Always pay close attention to your striking so it don't stick. The 70-18, you want to get as close as you can. This type of rod that don't stick to the plate once you're close to it. Watch the strike. Boom, like a match. You at it. Now, I'm going out for beginners. I recommend circles, just like I'm doing here. Nice little circles, man. Get you the best result. Take your time. Make sure your toes are blended in. Make sure you're hitting both of your toes, rather. See, I got them nice C's going. I ain't cripping, but she there. She in there. She in there. Can't get no better than that. Yeah, I'm having a hard time for my flux coming off, but no worries. She gonna come. She gonna come. Look at that beat. Look at them C's. Look at them C's, baby. Mr. Correct Yourself 2 times. Remember, I told you I'm gonna do it 2 times for you. I'm gonna do on the other side the same thing I did here. Nice tie in.